I've got here a solar trail camera with quite a lot of features, and it has a solar power panel. It does videos and photos in high definition. It has a quick trigger, night vision, time-lapse, infrared detection. It's rainproof, and it also has an app, so you don't need to take it down and download the files. You can do it through the app, which is really cool. And yeah, let's unbox it, check it out, and then see how it looks and how it works. Let's open this up. There we go. This is the solar and Wi-Fi trail camera user manual. This is the QR code for the app. You can see here you can install it on Android and also on the iOS. And then we have here the actual camera. Let's put this on the side. Let's see what we have here. So we have a metal and then some screws. This can be used to screw it on like a side or anywhere you can screw this, like on your house, on a barn, on anything. Then we have this card reader for the card. Then we have the strap to strap it on a tree. This is what we're going to use to strap it on a tree. Then we actually have a USB-A to USB-C cable. I love that we have more and more devices with USB-C. This is the new standard, really cool. Then this is the actual camera. Let's check this out. There we go. So the solar panel is already mounted. You don't need to mount anything. Then we have this covers right here, which we can take off. This is to protect these shiny layers right here. Then we have the camera cover, then the sensors, covers. Make sure to take this off before mounting the camera, or actually before turning it on, because this will make it harder for it to work, and on the camera you won't probably see very good. And then this is the back. If we open the back, oh, actually the front right here, sorry. Here we have all the buttons and everything. We also have like a small display here. You can see PIR detection. PIR is preparing. Really cool. You can see the battery here as well and everything. So here we have all the buttons. Let's put it in test mode actually. So here you can turn it on, turn it off. You can see this display as well. It's quite clear, it looks quite good, I would say, yeah. Then we have this menu right here. Work time, photo, video resolution, video resolution. Here you can actually bump it to 60 megapixels. That's really interesting. But make sure when you do this, because this will take up a lot of space. So make sure you have space for this. You have like a big guard. So we have a lot of things right here. It actually records audio as well. Loads of settings here. You have a password protection as well. And this is where you mount it. Also, let's check the sides here. So we have the USB-C here to power it. Then we have a reset button. And then this screw mount right here. You can actually angle the solar panel a bit. Before we mount this on a tree, we should actually scan the QR code so we get the app so we can connect to it. And this is the app, Trail Cam Go. Now we need to add a new device, and we just click on this device, and then we'll say Wi-Fi camera. Ensure that the camera is on mode and near. We hit next. And then the camera is already found. Connect to the camera. As you can see here on the camera, it's connecting as well. And then we can see a lot of settings here. We can actually see the temperature as well, 23 degrees Celsius. We have the memory card, how full that is, the battery level. It's cool that you don't have to like change the settings here. You can actually change them if you want on your phone as well, which I believe it's a bit easier and changing them on the actual camera, and you can use this to download the videos as well and everything, which is really good for a camera like this. Now let's take it outside and put it on the tree. I'll show you how to install it and how it looks from the camera. Now it's connecting to the app, so we'll close this and mount it on the tree right there. This is how long this is. We'll just feed it through here. Let's put it on this tree here. So open this, go through here. Okay. And now it's secure here. We just have to do a bit of this. And now that's what we can see right here. So if I am walking up, I can look at it. I can see it from here. And now that's what we can see right here. So if I am walking up, I can look at it. I can see it from here.